Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for clicking on another one of my videos. As you can see, this one is going to be about the new Corvette, the C8 Corvette and the mid-engine Corvette. I've made a few videos showing some of the spy shots that have been leaked from this car over the summer and the past few months. But this video, we finally have a release date for the car, so let's jump into it. This first picture here, you can see the front and the back of the new Corvette key. It may not be a big deal to some people, but I find it kind of interesting. You can see the lock unlock buttons. You have the shape of the mid-engine Corvette, how you have your front trunk release button as well as the deck lid release button. And it looks like it's going to be a convertible by that button there on the bottom. The next picture is just show you a few diagrams of the hatch for the Corvette. Just kind of interesting. This next picture, the Corvette was spotted driving through the streets of New York City. You can see here the wheels that we've seen forever. The front nose is very Ferrari-esque to me. It's almost right out of a Ferrari's design book. Those very large air intake scoops on the side of the car behind the door, as well as those mirrors that stick out fairly far, and the graphic on the side of the car, and the graphic on the side of the car, July 18th, 2019. I think they made the 8 red because it's the C8, but that's just speculation on my part. So I will quit talking and leave you with the pictures that Chevy is releasing, as well as their official teaser video. As always, I'm interested to see your comments, what you think about the new Corvette, if you think you would want to buy one. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks. Until next time.
Is your seatbelt fastened? All right. Let's go.